In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Gemini CLI on your Windows PC and use it completely for free. If you check the plan, you can see right now Gemini CLI is free to use. And here, using Gemini CLI, you can just try to get access 3 Flash and 3.1 Pro model. You can use it on image generation, editing, deep research, Gemini Live, Canvas. So right now it's actually don't cost you anything. It's $0 per month with your Google account. Along with this, if you use Anthropic Cloud Code, then you will have to pay $20 per month. So it's actually huge. If you want to learn, then I think Gemini CLI is the perfect option to get started because it's completely for free. Okay, so let's get started how to install Gemini CLI and use it completely for free. Okay, so at the beginning, to start the process, what you will have to do, you need to open the command prompt, simply search command prompt or just cmd, then you will have to run it as administration. So run it as administration, let me choose yes, and here you will have this interface. So you will have something like this. Before you get started, you need to make sure that Node.js installed on your machine. If you don't have Node.js installed, go to nodejs.org, then click this get Node.js, and then here download the Windows installer. Then you will have to install it on your machine, and after then you can just simply verify it by pressing node, simply type, let me just type node space dash v, and if you press enter, you will get a version number. So if you have this type of number, then you are ready to go. Then the next thing is that you will come to this website geminicli.com, and here if you just check, you will have a command line. So this is actually command line. You will have to copy this, and now again open the command prompt, and here simply paste it by pressing Ctrl V. Look, we are going to install Gemini CLI from actually Google, and we are using Node Package Manager, and this is install command. We will install it globally on our machine, and this is actually the installer. Okay, so if you press enter, Gemini CLI will be start installing on your machine. So you can see it's actually going to be ready. Takes few seconds to complete this process. We'll have to wait until it's completed. So it's already added. What next? Actually here, next thing is that you can check the version of Gemini by typing Gemini space dash v, and if you press enter, then you can see this is the version of Gemini and you are ready to go. So next thing is that after doing all of this stuff, what you will do, look, as we are using Visual Studio Code, open Visual Studio Code, and now what you will do, you will need to open a project. For example, let me go to project directory and let me create a new project. So for example, here we will just rename something like this, Gemini CLI. Okay, something like this. I just have a project and I will simply drag it on Visual Studio Code. You will see something like this. Okay, I will just trust it because I create this. Okay, after then what you will have to do, then the next thing is that we'll have to install a extension. We will go to the extension section, then we will simply search Gemini, and here you can see we'll have Gemini CLI companion. Okay, you will have to use this extension. Let me just install it on our Visual Studio Code. After then we will close it, and then after adding this, you'll open the terminal. Then make sure you are using command prompt or git bash. So I will choose command prompt from here, then simply call Gemini and then press enter. Then you will see something like this, trust these files in this folder. I will just press enter. Yes, I trust. Then you can see within a few seconds, if I just increase it a little bit, not authenticated method selected, we'll have to authenticate. So that's why. So press enter to select it. Then we'll just keep it yes, the first one. Then here it will redirect to this page. We'll have to connect our Google account with it. So let me choose my Google account and then sign in. Okay, so it's added, and I hope if I back here, you can see you have successfully signed in with Google. So Gemini CLI needs to restart. Press R to restart. Okay, so you can simply press R. Now you can see you will have this interface. So right now you can able to use Gemini CLI from here. For example, if I just type anything, so hi, who are you? If I just ask a question something like this, look, it's actually thinking and it will give you answer. So I am Gemini CLI, an interactive agent specialized in software engineering. Okay, so for example, if you need to build a project or something like this, you can use it. So if you need to change the model, you can just command / model, and then here you will see right now you are using Gemini 3 flash preview. If you need to switch any model, you can simply use your down or up arrow key to just choose any of it. If you have already choose it, then you can just simply press escape. Okay, then now you will get it. Okay, so as a demo purpose, let me try to build a landing page. So very simple landing page. Let me comment something like this: create a beautiful landing page for a clothing brand. Okay, something like this. If I press enter, look, it will try to execute your landing page. It's thinking, it takes few seconds, and then it will ask enter the plan mode. Yes, we would go to plan mode. So allow once, press enter actually for that. Then at the beginning it will actually ask you some questions: what kind of aesthetic should be the landing page have. For example, here you can see we'll have three options. You can just make it minimalist like Vogue or Klein, or if you need to make it something like this Nike or Supreme, you will have second one. And then third one is actually sustainable and eco-friendly. It is actually natural. If you need to more, you will have four option. So here you can type custom value. Here I will go with the first one, minimalist, and then press enter. Okay, it will ask you few questions. You can see here you will have all of this. Would you like to use feature product? Then would you like to go with brand story, news, later sign up, social, and footer, all above? And let me choose the fifth one, and here let me press enter. Then we will just press enter again, and now press enter to submit. Okay, here it's actually creating our projects. Now it says you will have this plan. You can read this plan, and if you need to modify anything, you can just prompt here. Otherwise you can just simply say yes meant this. Okay, I will just prompt this, or I will just command this, then it will start implementing. Okay, so yes, automatically accept edits. So you can see it's actually writing code for you. So if you see it, you can see it's actually created a complete React application. So here it has actually used TypeScript, and this is actually React application followed all of these component is styling. You can see it's created about.tsx, newsletter.tsx, snapper.tsx, hero component and others components. It has styles, okay, for uses variable.css for variable, okay, and use all of these stuff. So right now when it's done, what you can do, you will have to command npm run dev, and if you press enter, it will see you will have a local host. So you will open it, and right now you will see your website. Okay, you can see it's created this landing page for me, and it's much more elegant actually. If you check it, it has all of this stuff. You can click the shopping sections, you can just click it, add to cart, you will have all of this product. Okay, it's very minimal, and I hope you understand how you can do using Gemini CLI, and it's actually completely free. And let me give you a suggestion. For example, whenever you will have use this, sometimes let me just show you, sometimes you will have this. Okay, you will have the quota uses 100%. Whenever it's actually completed, you need to switch the model. So command / model, then press enter, then you will switch any model. For example, whenever your quota is 100%, then you will switch to 3.1 plus light preview model, or 2.5 flash model, or 2.5 flash light model. By using this process, you can actually just try to keep using it completely for free. Okay, I hope you understand, and if this video is helpful, just leave a comment and like this video. Thank you.